I'm gonna keep y'all updated every step of the way of this build. Nah, I still ain't got them on yet. But it's coming. You gotta have patience. I just showing y'all. And y'all know I just got blessed from God with them pillow top seats. Come on. Let me show you what's going on. Hold on, let me back it up. Yeah. Listen. You see what's going on? Hold on. Show them the 28 by 12. You see that color right there? Good God. What's good, gang? Back with another video, and in today's video I want to go over a couple things. I want to talk about the value of putting money into the car. Just because you put $100,000 inside your old school car don't mean you're gonna get $100,000 back. As y'all know, I'm building this 87 Chevy Caprice Landau, and yeah, like I say, just because you think if you put $100,000 in there don't mean that you're gonna get $100,000 back. And I just want to talk about that. You got to understand, you got to have a passion and a love for it. I always speak upon that, but you also got to have the money on it. When you put money into these old school cars, you got to understand, is it a passion or are you trying to do it for a resale value? That's what you got to look at. Me, I build it for a passion. Now, if I just so happen to put $60,000 in there, and I do want to sell it, yes, may try to sell it for $60,000 for what I put inside of it, just for the simple fact I know that I'm putting top quality parts and top notch A1 parts that make sure that it's gonna run correctly, and have it to where the 28 by 12s are fitting on here perfectly with the fabrication. So let's do a little walkthrough of the car already, and just to show you how it really is. When you put money into these old school cars, it's not necessarily trying to get a value back. You got to understand that. People don't really be understanding that a lot of this stuff is more so a passion in what you want to do. Just because you customize the car in the way that you want to do it don't mean that when you sell it that the person want to buy it like that. People got their own creative ways of how they want to customize a car. So, you know, I'm already maybe 30-something thousand into this car. That's buying the car, buying the 28 by 12 wheels, getting certain things done like powder coating, rust repair, stuff like that, and buying the things that's necessary for the car to look good in a way. So right now, this is where we at right now. We got the interior mocked up, showing everything that how it posed to look with them pillow top seats. We got the floor pan done, as y'all already know. These are the things, and I like to show this type of stuff because these are the things that people don't normally show. I like to break down the price points and show folks what it takes to really build an old school car. A lot of people that build an old school car, or people that might be new to building an old school car, might not know what it really takes and what it really costs to put into an old school car. So that's really why I'm breaking down the price point. It's not for me to brag. I wish I didn't have to spend the amount of money that I done had to put inside this car already. Like I say, I spent $9,500 on the car. The car came with some rust spots, which was common, but I understand. And then you also have to understand in this day and age how it really is with getting an old school car. Sometimes you're gonna have to pay a little more just to get the rare car that you want. This is an 87 Chevy Caprice Landau. It's only 3,100 made, so yeah, it's gonna be rare. And I did pay the $9,500 just for the simple fact, like I always say, if it wasn't an 87, I wouldn't be doing all this. You also got to understand what type of car you're working with to try to get the resale value back. You got to understand that a lot of people, sometimes I see a lot of things on Facebook and Instagram, somebody posting the car, and it might just be a stock car with just a set of rims on there and maybe a little bit of paint, and they want 30 to 35,000. And I understand people are always saying, oh, I know what I got. Okay, that's cool and dandy, but understand this, you didn't do too much to it. I understand you might have got it from your grandma or your granddad, and it might have been in the garage for 5 to 10 years. That don't mean that you could put a $30,000 price tag on that car. It just means that, yeah, it's a nostalgic car, So, but sell it reasonable. You know, you didn't do too much to it. Now, when you start doing custom things to it, and you gotta also understand too, when you going up in these lips sizes on the rims, you gotta understand that takes more work for things to be done, more fabrication, more structural things to the suspension has to be done. A lot of people don't understand that. So you got to think, like, when you do more to the car, yeah, you can up the value for it, but just because you put a standard 5-inch lip rim on the car and you took it to get a paint job, now you upped it to 30 to 35,000 because it's set in the garage for 5 to 10 years. No, man. And it all, like I say, and it also depends on the type of car that you're trying to resell. You gotta have a passion for this stuff, man. Everything is not gonna be, just cause you put 20, 30, 50,000 into it that you're gonna be able to get it back. It don't always work like that. Like I say, I'm not in it to resell. I'm really more so in it to see the vision that I have for myself and reach for the stars. I wanna cause ruckus, mayhem, and madness. Y'all seeing me make these videos, I ain't really doing too much right now. Like I say, it come with patience. Right now, the stage we in, we just taking it easy because we stacking up for the suspension, and that's what it's about. You gotta appreciate the small gains. So it's times like this, I just come out here, pull the car cover off, take it out the garage, and just look at it. I ain't even doing nothing too much to it right now, because it's gonna be times like that. It's gonna be times where you in the paint shop or you at the shop and your car there 6-7 months, and it might be sitting in the corner somewhere because the owner ain't touched it yet. He ain't got to you yet. It ain't even about the money. I ain't even got nothing going on right now. But I come out here and I admire this car just for the simple fact I see the vision and I know what I got going on. But I got a few things I want to show y'all. Like I say, slow motion is better than no motion. And right now, I ain't really got that much emotion, but we got a little bit of motion and that counts. So right now, as y'all see right here, this is the 87 Chevy Caprice Landau right here that I'm building. I swapped these doors out off the 84 parts car. As you can see right here, you know, if you know the difference between the 87 and the 86 and the 87 is pretty much the same, but the years beforehand got different similarities inside of it, which is the doors. So that 84, the lights sit a little farther back than what the 86 and 87 look like. They come with the sport look on the 86 and 87. So look right here. You see these lights, you see how they sit back right there? That light sit back some right here. It need to sit right here for that sport look. So what I got is, I'm gonna have to get that fabricated to get these moved up right here. I'm gonna have to get these lights fabricated to move up so we can get that sport look back. And those are the little small details that come with stuff like that. Yeah, I could leave them like that. I could. But then people gonna be thinking, oh, it's a regular 84 or it's a regular, you know what I'm saying, a regular year. I know most people be thinking, oh, the 87 really don't matter. It ain't nothing special. It's the same thing as the 86. Oh, yeah, it may be, but you ain't got an 87. And this is the last of the Mohican, only 3,100 made. It's the little shit like this that excite me. I'm talking about, it's the little shit. You gotta appreciate the little shit. This ain't even much. Let me go ahead and unbox it. Like I say, I gotta move them mirrors back. So what I did was, I just ordered the right mirrors for it. And you gotta appreciate the small stuff like this. I mean, even if it ain't a $500, $600 part, you know what I'm saying? Appreciate the small things when you doing these builds. So boom, you know what I'm saying? It feel like Christmas, and it ain't even Christmas yet. Those are the joys and the things that it's about when building these old school classic cars. It's the little things that you gotta appreciate that it just make you happy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. Yeah. That's them right there. That's them sport things. That's them sport mirrors. Come with the little turn shit too. You see it move. You see how it move. I got these from Park Geeks, you know what I'm saying? Park Geeks for like $130. Brand new. So what's this? This the passenger side. Yeah, that's the passenger side. So, man, this little stuff like this, like I say, man, it don't matter if it costs $100 to $1,000. Appreciate everything you doing with the bill. Little stuff like this. So, like I say, those mirrors gotta be moved up to put back in the correct place of where the 87 mirrors are supposed to sit at. The difference on these doors from the 84s or the 80s to the 85s, the mirrors sit back a little farther. So we got to move them up. But it ain't about nothing. It come with the details of the car, and we want to keep the details. It's what it's all about. But we got one part. We one step closer to the finishing the bill. Uh-oh, I got one more thing for you. Like I say, I'm gonna keep y'all updated every step of way of this build. Nah, I still ain't got them on yet. But it's coming. You gotta have patience. I just showing y'all. Y'all know I just got blessed from God with them pillow top seats. Come on. Let me show you what's going on. Hold on, back it up. Yeah. Listen. You see what's going on? Hold on. Show them the 28 by 12. You see that color right there? You see that? Hold on, back up. Let me get me in it. They gotta see. You see that? You see what's going on right here? Good God! The camera don't pick up the colorway or do it no justice. You gotta see this shit in person. This shit right here, HD. I don't think you really understand. You see this color right here? Y'all see I got them seats. Y'all let me know and tell me if I should put that green on them seats right there. Y'all let me know if I should put that green on them seats right there. Can't see the vision? Can you see the vision? I'm trying to understand. Can you see the vision? You can't really see the vision? Let me help you see the vision. Let me see if you can see it. Let me see if you could. God! Let me see if you can see it. Sometimes I lose sight of the vision myself. Sometimes I think I can't see the vision and I lose sight. So what I had to do was I had to order a sample. Yeah, I had to order a sample just to make sure I can get the right visual. Let's drop back down. Let's see what we got going on. Is that not the same? Are we on there? Hold on, I don't know if you on there. Are you on there? You showing that? I want you to, yeah. Let me get down here. Is that not the same?
I think it's good. I think it's excellent.
It's on there. Okay.
Perfecto.
So what I had to do, I had to get a visual. I lose sight of the vision sometimes. So I had to order a sample of interior piece of that slime just to make sure we can line up with what it is. Y'all tell me, can you get the visual? I want you to get the visual. Can you get the visual of that on there? Yeah, that's what I'm just trying to see. With that on there and on the dash, that colorway on the dash, oh my God. Listen, ruckus, mayhem, and madness has been caused. It's gonna be caused. We ain't even done yet. We ain't even got there yet. And I can see ruckus, mayhem, and madness in the future. I see it in my vision. Oh my God. Listen, what about on the top? Can you see the vision on the top? Can you see the vision? I'm trying to understand. I'm just trying to see if you can see it. You see the vision? You can't see it. Hold on. Let me help you out one more. Let me help you out one more again. Hold up. Sometimes I can't fully see the vision myself, and I got to reassurance myself. So I just had to do it just so I can see, so I can make sure that it's gonna be what it is. Oh my God. This shit gonna be stupid. This shit gonna be stupid. Look, oh my God. Look, listen, you telling me what that Gucci song is? Ridiculous. This shit gonna be ridiculous. Understand what's really going on. Oh my God. Top slime green with the wheels. Back up so you can get it all in 4K. Yeah, come up with it. Top slime green with the master wheels. Then we gonna go. I'm doing this so you can see what the real visual gonna look like. So boom, I done bought a yard of this shit. Slime green. Now we just gonna drape it. We just gonna drape it over the seat. Man, listen. This shit gonna be stupendous. This shit gonna be stupid. This shit gonna be epic. This shit is really gonna be ruckus, mayhem, and madness. I'm reaching for the stars, y'all. I'm trying to go to the next level with it. Yeah, this shit got my nose running. This shit gonna have you sick. This shit got my nose running. It's gonna have you sick. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe so when I'm dropping these bangers, y'all can see what I really actually got going on and be updated along the way of the deal with me. Hey man, you see what's going on. All the interior slime green. Y'all drop down in the comments and let me know how y'all think I should do it. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna listen to y'all. I'm gonna take heed to y'all. Y'all drop down in the comments and y'all let me know how y'all think I should do it. Oh, you might not know what color I'm going with as the car. So it's in the wheels. Come on, let's drop back down here one more time. The color right here, you probably can't really tell because it's dark, but that's that Dodge Destroyer gray. That's that Dodge Destroyer gray right there. You see that? That's that Dodge Destroyer gray right there. So the whole car gonna be that Dodge Destroyer gray. But then the top gonna be that slime, with the inside's gonna be slime. So y'all tell me, so y'all drop down in the comments and let me know how y'all think I should do with the interior. Like I say, when building the old school, you gotta have a balance with it. Time management, finances, and handling responsibilities. Look, I'm up here doing the video for y'all, showing you the car and what I got going on with it. You see what's going on? Boy, that slime green seat's gonna be a fool. That shit gonna be stupid. I'm also on daddy duties. You gotta have a balance with it. You gotta know how to juggle this thing and keep it balanced. Cause if it ain't balanced, something gonna fall off and something gonna get upset and mad at you. So you gotta keep a balance. So, hey man, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Cause I really do appreciate y'all for supporting and watching me along the way of this build, man. So man, I really appreciate y'all. Thank y'all. Hey, stupid.